Hello everyone, Safi Tuts back. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to get a Snapchat app in your Windows or PC. So you can see it's called Microsoft Store. So you have to go Microsoft Store. If you don't find Microsoft Store app, then you have to type here on search Microsoft Store, then you'll get here. So once you come here, then you have to click here Snapchat. Okay, so simply click S N A, so Snapchat app. So this has a state, and after that you can see this is the Snapchat app. So simply click here get. Once you click get, then it takes few time to install in your PC. And here is some screenshot. It's really amazing. It's like other like mobile, and it's downloading, you can see here. So just wait for a while, then it will be installed in your device. I will make more video how to use Snapchat in PC, so please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.